Welcome customers, I'm Kevin from NativeCode. Let's see how to manage users in GoBiz admin panel. Hello guys, welcome to the GoBiz admin dashboard. Let's see how the users tab works. Go to the page and click on Create User. There, you can select a role for your user, either administrator or manager, according to your preference. Type the name of the user, then enter the email. Scroll down and type a strong password for security. The main purpose of the Permissions tab is to grant specific access to the user. Only the selected tabs will be accessible, while the rest will remain hidden from their panel. It is completely up to you how many tabs you allow the user to access. Now click on Create. You will receive a message saying, New user created successfully. Now, go back to the Users tab, where you can see the newly created user. Click on Actions, and you will find 3 drop-down options: Edit, Deactivate, and Delete. Click on Edit if you need to modify any of the given details, make the changes, and click Update. Then go back, click on Actions, and select Deactivate. Click on Proceed to deactivate the user. For reactivation, follow the same process. To delete a user, click on Delete, confirm by clicking Proceed, and the user will be permanently removed. Now, let's log in as the newly created user to see how it works. First, log out from the admin account, then go to the sign-in page. Enter the email and password of the user. And click Login. Now, you will see that only the tabs you granted access to are displayed for this user. Additionally, the assigned role will also be shown. This is how the Users tab works in GoBiz.